प्रवेश जी।
Hi, Gautam जी।
कैसे हैं सर? सर एक्सीलेंट फ्रंट एलिवेशन, मज़ा आ गया।
थैंक यू।
मैं तो एक्साइटेड हो रहा हूँ इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में जानने के लिए।
Yes.
एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आपने टाइम निकाला आने के लिए।
एनी टाइम फॉर यू।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
चलो अंदर चलते हैं।
हाँ श्योर सर, श्योर, आइए।
यस। So everything is detailed. I'll
Yes.
show you around.
Yes, of course.
Look at this sandstone.
It is marvelous.
Do you like it?
Sir,
This
it is getting a lot of attention.
Yes. So this is created by 50 thick stone
Oh my
and done CNC work on that.
Wow.
It takes about 100 hours on a machine.
You meant to say 100 working hours.
Yes. On a machine.
On a machine.
Yes.
And you
to create
wanted
this.
to create this masterpiece.
Yes.
Amazing.
Just to create a highlighter wall.
Yes, of course.
This is where the sofa will be.
Yes, of course. This is the guest area.
Yes.
So the whole idea of getting an amazing drawing room with the subtle colors
Yes.
and that kind of a creativity, how much time for planning and everything? You just let me know, sir. I mean, I'm very excited about it.
Takes a lot of time, but you
Yeah.
can see the results right now.
Of course, it's beautiful. What was the idea behind this massive balcony that you had? Of course, you had three-side open property, but
See.
this
The feature of this property is it is a 3-side corner property.
absolutely
So massive balcony, massive sunlight coming out, and there is ventilation. We have given windows everywhere.
Great.
Like in the left side, you can see one window. I'll show you.
ha sure. This is beautiful, sir. I mean,
Yes.
very good planning.
So there is window and ventilation at this point as well. In the front, I'll show you this room.
Sure. But there must be a very good option that आपने नीचे 4 different parking spots रखे हुए हैं. What is the idea behind it?
Yes, it is 4 floors. So we give separate parking to each floor.
So no nigging around with another one.
No, no, no.
Okay, what is this masterpiece, sir? आप मेरे को ये तो one wall लग रहा था. आप कह रहे there is a room behind it.
Yes,
There is?
there is a room. Come, I'll show you.
My goodness. Wow. Excellent, sir. What kind of a stone is that, sir?
This is PU stone. This is fox stone, which gives a depth. You can touch and feel this stone.
Oh, wow.
So we have created a theme here. I'll show you.
Right.
You can see the leaves here,
Yes.
and you can see the geometric leaves here.
Exactly.
Yes.
Wow. Now I can relate.
This is the kind of earthy feel I want to give to this room. We have used wooden flooring, and all of the theme is like
Earthy feeling.
Earthy feel.
That's my kind of a color as well.
great.
Sir, how about the connection with the new, what kind of fittings are there? It's cooler branding, right?
So we use all masterpieces here. Like
So,
this
Even
fitting.
this, I've never seen anything like that.
Yes, just because we have used this, because in SS you will see spots coming onto this.
Yes, that's true.
So that is why we have changed the material, and this will never go bad.
So not only the beautification, your
Yes.
longevity भी आपके लिए एक planning है.
Longevity, technically it should be sound.
बिल्कुल सर,
Yes.
बिल्कुल. Nice. Beautiful room यार, massive room and इसकी front elevation new height के साथ पास हुआ है तो I
Yes,
think
this is according to new height,
17.5
meters.
wow.
This building
So
is
you
according to that.
Make the best out of resources.
Of course.
I
I'll
guess
show you this wardrobe as well.
Yes sir, please, please.
See,
Wow.
this is in latest style.
Yes. Oh my God, leather finish.
Do you see?
Sir, it,
all
it
leather
is
finish and
premium
quilted.
to the premium core. हाँ.
Yes.
Wow, sir, I really appreciate it. The kind of depth that you know, और ये usability के हिसाब से भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा
Yes,
है.
it feels premium. It is, for using, it is also very premium.
I totally agree with you. Nothing less than that, I guess.
Yes.
गोयल जी, आपकी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज में हर बार एक बेंचमार्क स्टैंडर्ड मार्केट के लिए खड़ा हो जाता है और उसके बाद आप अपने आप को ही चैलेंज करके एक नया बेंचमार्क ले लेते हैं.
हमारी फाइट अपने आप से ही है.
आप A139 पे थे, इसके बाद 315 पे थे.
Yes.
मैं देखते जा रहा हूँ एक अपने आप से ही
स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमें इंक्रीज करना है. वी वांट टू जस्ट नॉट बी अ बिल्डर, वी वांट टू बी अ डेवलपर. We want to develop the quality of
If I'm
work.
not wrong, can I say that you are here to fulfill the dream of premium category people?
Yes,
Is that
correct.
true? Okay.
I'll show you the premiumness in this door.
Oh, in door as well?
Yes.
Of course.
So we have used these biometric doors here.
Door set का.
Do you see the thickness?
Oh my God. It's double the size of normal door.
Yes.
That's for the safety point of view, isn't it?
For the safety point of view, for the design point of view, for everything. Do you see the polish on these doors?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'd like to. Yes.
We have used natural veneer,
Uh-huh.
and then we have coated it with PU polish, high gloss. It will just look like a mirror.
I've used it in my office. It's costed me a fortune, just to let you know.
So all of my doors here are in PU finish, all factory made.
Wow.
Yes,
Just fitted, assembled here.
just fitted and assembled here.
Wow. Takes a lot of effort, sir. So what was the idea behind this open kind of kitchen and why did you use this? This is a new process I've seen in South Delhi.
Yes.
This is basically
So
your
this is a kind of a breakfast counter.
Yes.
We can put 2 stools over here.
right.
And the person who is cooking, and it is easy to serve right here on the breakfast counter.
Yeah, I'm really excited to know this idea. आपने lighting का जो arrangement किया, what was the
Yes.
mind behind it and everything?
Just because we have a good 3-side corner property, we want to take care about the lights
To make the best out of
to
it.
make the best of it.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm happy that you're giving all the appliances already.
All
fitted.
the appliances are there, chimney, hob. There is inbuilt microwave.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
And this is dry pantry storage area.
This is dry pantry storage.
And the
Exactly.
thickness, this quality is quite good, I guess.
All toughened glass.
All toughened glass, like I mentioned in my other videos.
Correct. Correct.
And what was the idea behind putting this? Of course, it's beautiful, it's beautifying.
This is the maximization of storage.
Yes,
which
of
we
course.
give.
That's what I was wondering. I mean, you have used every resource. Even this is pure finished?
Yes.
Wow.
It's all PU finished. We have used neoclassical theme in this. You can see the depth. in
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir. Kind of remind me 315 वाले का भी counter table ऐसा ही था, but
Yes,
it was
exactly.
pure white.
Yes.
And this is natural color, beautiful, modern, natural. And
Yes.
this was the idea behind it.
Yes, correct.
Are you the architect behind the designing as well?
I am, you can say, but yes, we do hire architects on our panel.
Yes, yes,
but
of
it is our work and their work, their hard work combined, which
So
gets
dream
us to
work-
this project.
Dream work of 2 years,
Yes.
now getting completed. How do you feel about it?
I feel very good. Now you have to tell me,
I am
how do
excited.
you feel about it?
I want to sell all your properties and get one of yours. So this one is specially designed for kids, I guess?
Yes, this is a kids' room.
Yeah.
But here also we have taken care of the side tables.
This is
and
very
given
smart
ample
work.
of storage.
Sir,
You can see.
can I say that this brings me back to the old era where we used to have the pure wooden things?
Yes, I mentioned you earlier. We
Yes.
are using a neoclassical theme here.
Yes, sir.
In which we combine contemporary with the modern styles.
That's amazing. Yeah, that's my kind of a feel.
Good.
So what about this combination that you take always in your washroom, you give it a larger space. Now
Yes.
I can see this is the 4th bathroom, but it is elevated to such a level it gives a grandeur feeling.
Great. Yes.
तो कूलर की ब्रांडिंग है, सारा कुछ है, सारी नई फिटिंग है।
Everything is Kohler.
ये लेग्रैंड के स्विचेस हैं।
Yes.
So
All switches
nothing
are
but the
Lee
best,
brand.
huh? You
Yes.
believe in for yourself as well and for the customers
For
also.
the customer as well.
सर मेरे को ये पीछे वाला बेडरूम आपका दिखाना है। You have not left any space unused.
Yes.
और आपने यहाँ पे वेंटिलेशन स्पेस बहुत अच्छा दिया है। What was the idea behind it?
So in the back side we have a park over here.
Yes, sir.
This is the back side park facing
Yeah, I've
property.
seen it. Yes, sir.
I'll show you.
Yes, of course, it's green-light park area.
Yes. So we can. This is south facing. The sun will always be here. You
Yes.
can put a green carpet over here and relax.
Amazing.
Have a Sunday coffee over here and
Wow.
enjoy the view.
You make the property like you are going to live in it.
Yes.
That's the whole idea, isn't it?
Yes. Thank you.
अच्छा, there is 3-side open property.
Yeah.
तो इसको बनाने में जो आपको फील आती है, 3 साइड का एक फीलिंग आती है, ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज कितनी होंगी मार्केट में लोकेशन?
जितनी भी होंगी हम ट्राई करेंगे कि उसको कैप्चर करके आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आए.
अरे वाह, एग्जाम्पलरी सर, एग्जाम्पलरी. लेट्स गो टू द 4th बेडरूम. एंड इसके बारे में मुझे एक बात करनी थी. आपने न्यू क्लासिकल की बात करी, वेंटिलेशन यहाँ पर दिया, अलमारीज. मुझे ये इतना प्राइवेट स्पेस लगा अच्छा सा. कैचिंग अप द थीम्स, एवरीथिंग इज कंबाइंड.
Look at the colors all over.
यस सर.
All are earthy colors,
Yes.
undertone colors.
Undertone.
And the theme will go around everywhere. This is the back wall.
यस सर.
The same veneer, the same tiles used in the TV panel over here.
यार दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल.
Yes.
ब्यूटीफुल इट इज. मास्टरपीस आई कैन से. आई मीन ड्रॉइंग स्पेस भी है, टीवी पैनलिंग की भी है, स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी भी है.
Yes.
यहाँ पे भी पीयू फिनिश दिया हुआ है.
This is all PU finish. This is all PU in CNC. You can see the details over here.
ऑफ कोर्स सर. इसको कराना आई एम श्योर 1000 वर्किंग आवर्स. मैनी स्टार्स टू यू.
Thank you.
ये लास्ट वॉशरूम चेक करते हैं. फिटिंग्स में तो आप एक्सेप्शनल हैं, ये तो आपका मुझे पता ही है.
All the grand switches.
और Legrand switches.
Yes.
Mind you, Legrand is one of the most expensive brand when it comes to switches. इससे ऊपर कोई प्रोडक्ट आता नहीं है, तो ये बात भी ध्यान रखना है.
All the door handles we have
Door
given
sets.
is
हाँ.
door set.
दो सेट ना.
Yes.
ठीक है.
I'll show you.
अरे वाह, एग्जाम्पलरी एग्जाम्पलरी.
Even-
पार्टीशन भी दिया हुआ है.
Even the LED mirrors we give is in 3 colors.
आहा, क्या बात है.
So we give all the options to our clients.
लूवर्स का इस्तेमाल टॉप पे किया हुआ है सर. व्हाट्स द आइडिया बिहाइंड इट?
Just to give a theme of all around, we have used this wall as a highlighter wall.
Yes, sir.
And so the design will run through the ceiling as well.
सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द डिजाइन.
Yes.
अरे वाह, अरे वाह.
Gautam ji, I'll show you the third master bedroom.
अमेजिंग सर. सर ये तो पत्थर है ना?
Gautam ji, I'll tell you what it is.
व्हाट इज इट?
So this is POP. You won't believe.
I'm sorry, I want to use this one. Get out of here. Really,
Yes.
POP.
it is looking like a patthar to you.
Yes.
Just because we have done lime wash over it.
My goodness, that's why the prince.
Yes, exactly.
My goodness.
And
Big
you
boss.
and you can see the theme over here again.
Execution to the top notch level.
Thank you. You can see the theme. The similar theme goes on to the wardrobes.
Yes, the color is continuing.
We have used rattan over here.
What is that?
रतन हम बहुत पहले चटाइयों में यूज
हाँ,
होता था.
I told them.
Yes, the
Amazing.
same kind of feel which we have given here. And this is PU, mind you. This is PU and ratan.
Is it?
Yes. And
My
I'll show you the
goodness.
wardrobe from inside. We give velvet organizers.
So yes, of course.
Yes.
Latest आज की date में.
Again. The
That's
pull
cool.
down fitting
Yes, of course.
for your hangings.
Yes, yes. Must have these days if you are traveling abroad and everything.
Yes, again.
Yes. सर ये आपने जो यूटिलाइज किया है स्पेस को फिर से और फिर ब्यूटीफुल कर दिया. मैं
Again, maximization of space.
Yes.
So this is a dressing, can
Yes.
be used as a study as well.
yes.
You can have a bookshelf over there, or you
Yes.
can have storage here as well.
My goodness. And you've given an extra. This is looking beautiful. It's continuity
This
of the
is-
colors as well.
Yes, continuity of the colors, and this is the console unit.
And you can use it as chester. You can use it as storage.
Again, a lot of storage,
Uh-huh.
and put your TV over here. It'll
Oh
look
yes,
amazing.
because the bed is going to be here.
Bed is over here. Put TV over here.
And enough space for you to walk around in the property. Can we have a look at that washroom? I am truly amazed with the color of it. The theme continues and it's a little bit of brownish, little bit of earthy.
Yes.
I mean,
Even in the washrooms,
yes, please.
this is CNC work
Mm-hmm.
and PU finish again. The
Absolutely.
similar
looking
finish we
stunning,
give
sir.
on the wardrobes.
Nothing but stunning.
Yes.
And I must like to add into the fact that now that you've created a wall between glass wall,
Yes.
so it is, you know, I always lay a lot of emphasis because हम नहाते हैं तो पूरा वॉशरूम गीला हो जाता है.
Yes.
So
that is why we give glass partitions everywhere. Wherever it is possible, we give glass partitions.
that's amazing, sir. That's amazing.
Even in the ceiling, you'll see the details.
Yes, I've told them about it. It looks even more grandeur and even more elegant.
Yes.
This is amazing, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, अब मुझे आप एक प्लीज बताइए, what is the motive behind creating one of the best properties in Vikashpuri and living it to the best? Is this your style? Is this your delivery? What is the motto?
ये मेरा शौक है एक्चुअली.
Oh,
अच्छी बिल्डिंग बनाना कि हमारे जितने भी क्लाइंट्स हो
हाँ हाँ.
उन लोगों को एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मिलना चाहिए कि वो हमेशा याद रखेंगे. They have to live here for a very long time.
So longevity is one of the thing as well for you.
Yes.
It's not here for only 1 year.
Yes.
You're going to live here for ample number of years.
Yes.
जब तक आप रहो और एक अच्छे से रहो, एक अच्छी फील दो. That's the whole
तभी
idea.
हम इसके अंदर जो भी फिनिश देते हैं, we try to use PU.
हाँ.
PU is meant for longevity.
That's true.
लैमिनेट्स के अंदर स्क्रैच आ जाएंगे, कुछ भी होगा खराब हो जाएगी.
Absolutely, sir.
इन PU आप एक बार ही बफिंग करोगे और डोर विल लुक लाइक न्यू.
सर मैं आपको इतना कहना चाहूँगा, आपने 234 गज की ये
Yes,
प्रॉपर्टी को
234 इसको है.
234 गज की प्रॉपर्टी को इतनी बड़ी और ग्रैंडियर लाइफ दी है. जो भी यहाँ पे आके रहेगा वो थैंक यू जरूर बोलेगा, आपका भी और मेरा भी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम सर.
थैंक यू गौतम जी.
टेक केयर सर.